Hi, my name is Masha Kirasirova, and I'm a faculty member in the NYU Abu Dhabi History program. And this has been the first year that I have been involved as the chair of the selection committee for the graduate student workshop participants. And I'm very happy to be part of an effort to bring graduate students to our campus as we look forward to building up our own graduate programs and working with graduate students in a more hands-on and involved way. This year, the committee was looking through the students' applications for things like a clear connection to the region, and by this we meant the Arab world broadly defined, so some of them included projects on South Asia and Iran as they related to the Arab world. We also considered whether the students demonstrated a justification for wanting to come to NYU Abu Dhabi, whether it's some regional interest or connection, or if there's a faculty member that we had either on our faculty or through the fellows program that would be able to engage with the student and offer helpful feedback. So we kind of matched it in terms of expertise like that. For the paper that I commented on this morning, it was a wonderful paper. I learned a lot from the student, and this is kind of the pleasure of working with graduate students. You get to see all this new material, you see what's happening in the field. The project theme happened to be close to things that I've been interested in for a really long time, so I think it was great to have that kind of conversation just about the sources, about the historiography, and I was very impressed with the level of feedback that was given by the other students in the room. I mean, I think clearly this cohort is coming from the field, and this was part of the intent of, we were trying to get people right after they finished their research, and we're starting to write, so the kind of the state of the archival access is really at their fingertips, and I think they're really helpful to one another, both in terms of the what's possible, in terms of research, but also in stylistic matters like how to best organize a chapter, what to bring to the foreground. So I was just very impressed with the level of conversation that was happening between the students as well. But it was a real pleasure for me as a faculty member on NYU Abu Dhabi, where we are a liberal arts undergraduate college, to have that kind of to be able to comment on graduate work at this level.